Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I'm back with my first video of 2022, and in today's video I wanted to share with you what my upcoming plans are and show you some of the things that I did last year. So let's get to it. So if you're not aware, my name is Denise and I'm here at Sewlimitless. I write a blog at Sewlimitless. I'm on Instagram and social media as Sewlimitless, as well as having this YouTube channel. So one of the things that I'm going to do is I'll show you, I did a video of the things that I made last year, and I'll show you that at the end of this little intro. But I actually made 45 items last year. And for me, that's an awful lot. I had years where I would make 12 or 13 things. I rarely even would make 20 items. But last year I really did a lot. And so for me, that's actually a big accomplishment. And it's not even so much about the number, but for me, the more that I do, the better the quality gets. And so continuing to improve and to continue sewing actually is one of my goals for this year. Now, I'm not holding myself to any number as far as that is concerned, but you know, just to continue to improve. And I think the easiest way to do that is to just keep sewing. So obviously that's going to be one of my goals. As far as last year is concerned, like I said, I made 45 garments in 2021. The majority of those were tops. I made 19 tops. And the next highest category, I actually broke it all down into categories. The next highest category for what I completed were pants, which is kind of funny because I feel like I don't have a lot of pants. So that's actually one of the things that I want to do more of this year, hopefully, is have some more dress pants, make one or two more pairs of jeans. I haven't made jeans in a few years, and so I do want to get back into the jeans making because I actually really enjoy it. I really like the construction aspect of it. So once you get like a good pair of jeans to really fit you, once you make those alterations and you really can get them to fit, I just love sewing them. I do want to get back into that and maybe learn how to do different things as far as the jeans making is concerned. Some of the things that I noticed that I did not make were, I did not make a blazer. That's one of the things that I actually thought I was going to get done, but I never got around to that. So that's something that I really want to do. And I would like to do more, or do a lingerie set, like bra, panty, that kind of thing. I did make some bras last year. I want to do that again, but with a different pattern. And I would like to make some matching sets. Because always, I want to sew through as much of my stash as possible. I do plan to continue as a Minerva maker. So they send me fabric for that. Keep my fabric purchases down to a minimum, and sew through as much of the stash as I possibly can. So along with sewing through my stash of fabric, I also want to sew through the patterns that I have. I think I have more than enough patterns to work through. So that's another goal that I really do want to work on, is going through my pattern stash and sewing through as many of those as I want, even if that means sometimes doing the Franken pattern method, you know, where you're combining a couple of different things. I think that actually can bolster creativity to do that kind of thing as well. So that's the kind of thing I want to work on this year, as well as improving techniques. I'm always looking to improve my tech, so that's another thing that I do want to work on. So I think that's a good place to start, so to speak. Keep sewing, and you do improve, believe me. So that's it for this little video, introduction. I will show you the items that I made last year, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and click that like and subscribe button. That way you'll be notified, and the notification bell, that way you'll be notified when I do upload another video. So I would appreciate that as well. I thank you all, and let me know in the comments what some of your goals might be for this year, or do you make any goals, or do you just do whatever you want? I mean, that's usually what I end up doing, but I always like to start, at least try to start with a plan or a goal in mind. So let me know down in the comments what you guys are up to. So I thank you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.